If you feel capable of more, but your days keep slipping away, this is for you. These are 15 daily habits that keep you from drifting. You don't need them all, you just need consistency. 3 categories: body, mind, and character. Miss one of these and everything starts leaking. Body. Wake up before the noise, even 20 minutes. This allows you to think before the world wakes. Move every day. Walk, lift, stretch. Don't just rust away. Drink water first. Half of your low energy is just dehydration. Eat food that respects you. If it reads like a science project, just skip it. Protect your sleep. Late night scrolling or watching TV just steals tomorrow's discipline. Mind. Read more than you scroll on TikTok or social media. Fast dopamine hits steal your mind's focus. Slow input builds strength. Write things down. Don't try to remember everything in your head. You won't. Say no more often. If everything matters, nothing really matters. Finish what you start. Close the loop, even the small things. This builds self-respect faster than motivation ever will. If you're inconsistent, this one will hurt. Do one hard thing daily. Confidence comes from surviving discomfort. Character. Ask for help. Isolation feels strong. It isn't. Listen more than you talk. Understanding builds connection. Keep your space clean. Chaos outside creates chaos inside. Name 3 things that you're grateful for. Daily. No excuses. Act even when you are afraid. Fear usually guards growth. Every habit is a vote. Cast yours daily. You don't need a new life. You need a better day. Pick 3, start tomorrow. If you like this sort of content, like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.